The Typhoon missile system will be part of the Philippine Army's Combined Arm Training Exercise, or CATEX, running until March 22. Philippine Army General Roy Galido clarified that there will be no live fire exercises, just an orientation. This training is linked to the Philippines' planned purchase of the system from the U.S. The National Security Council, or NSC, has defended its presence in the country despite China's objections. AFP spokesperson Colonel Francel Padilla says that the training focuses on familiarizing with the system's use, while Lieutenant General Galido highlighted its integration into the country's defense plans.
Ito pong pag-rehearse natin on how it's gonna be used and yung functionality po niya, parte po ito tuwing meron po tayong mga exercises na nagaganap kasama po ang Estados Unidos.
For us, we're in the level of appreciating the system and being able to understand how to utilize it in our defense concept.